Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can update date and time on your Android phone. So guys, let's get into it. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the general management option. This one, tap on the general management option, and then since we want to update our date and time, we can select the date and time setting, this one. And as you can see guys, that I'm using automatic date and time, so my date and time will be updated automatically. But if you want to set your date and time manually, you can just turn off this feature. You can tap on the circle button to disable this feature. Then you can set your date and time manually. Then I'm just going to use this feature, this automatic date and time, so I'm going to activate it. Okay, and you can change the format. If you want to use 24-hour format, you can activate this feature. But if you want to use another format, you can just disable this feature. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to use 24-hour format, so I'm going to activate it. And alright guys, that's how basically we can update date and time on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.